Nobody knows how to drive in LA when it rains.
I can't believe you brought me a gift. This is going to be an exciting week. I have completely gotten sick, but I'm still moving along. I went and got God, you name it, between Z-Pack, steroids, no Flonase, Mucinex, and this is not sponsored. But we're going to keep fighting and moving forward. Today, we're going to film a bunch of content. I still don't have my car, or I should say Devin's car. Still missing in action. We don't know what's wrong with it. And then we're going to go do a consultation at a client's house. Follow me.
Okay, guys, so what did we do? We filmed a bunch of content with different pieces that had arrived that I wanted to illustrate. These pants, I got these cute shoes, some styling tips, and now I am late. I have to run to my actual job. I have so much work and so many clients, so I am just running ragged, which is probably why I'm never going to recover from this horrific cold. All right, off I go. So we completely ran out of time. We were supposed to film my new wallpaper collaboration because the samples are in. I am so excited to show you guys, but I guess that's going to have to wait because I'm off to my client meeting. It's pouring rain, you guys, and we are going to Tory Burch to do a try-on haul. They have a beautiful pop-up store, so they invited me to check it out, and to show you guys what is happening. They're redoing their showroom, which is going to be amazing, and while they're redoing their showroom, they are in a beautiful pop-up. So we're gonna go see what's new at Tory Burch. I am obsessed with the styles that I've been seeing on the runway, and I can't wait to do a haul. Nobody knows how to drive in LA when it rains. They become very confused. Nobody even has rain gear. How cute. So the sweater is a large, but I kind of like it oversized. This is one very cool vibe. And I love these sleeves because even when they fall, they're already cinched. So this outfit was actually selected specifically by Hailey Bieber when she saw it in the spring 24 Tory Burch collection, and wore it for Paris Fashion Week in pink. So I wanted to try it on for you guys so you could see what it looks like. It's very futuristic, very Jetsons, very sweet. And she wore it with pink socks and little ballerina flats. There she is in black, and she also exists in pink, and she's in the window. So we were just at Tory Burch, as you guys saw, and I am absolutely enamored with, look guys, I don't take you along and I don't do partnerships with brands that I don't absolutely love and cherish. And I absolutely am obsessed with Tory Burch because the quality of the items are amazing, and the cut and the shoes this season everything was sold out. Like, I couldn't find my size in a lot of the shoes because everything was that good and it was gone. Guess who's back?
Hi!
Guess where we're going? Where are we going, Savannah?
We're going to Cooler first, and second going to
Visual Comfort. This is going to be so fun for us. Going to these showrooms is literally like shopping for clothes or earrings or jewelry,
Yes.
right? We love it
Yes.
just as much.
Yes, can't wait to choose some beautiful chandeliers.
Faucets, lighting. We're going to show you the entire process of how we pick not just beautiful decorative lighting, but how we do the new lighting concept, which is going to be amazing, inside of our ceilings. And I'm not going to vlog and drive, so I'm out. Peace out. Okay, so we just arrived. We're going to Kohler. I'm going to show you guys around. I'm telling you, all my earrings keep falling, guys. What is the deal? One of the biggest questions I get asked, and we always have a lot of debates about with clients is what kind of finishes to put in your home. Again, I am for mixing metals, so definitely mix your metals, but let me tell you what is speaking to me today at Kohler. I am very much interested in their rose gold. It is polished. I usually like a matte finish, but polished is coming back, and polished rose gold could be interesting. I'd rather it was more of a I prefer the vibrant brushed bronze. So if you guys are interested in getting a gold out of Kohler, the vibrant brushed bronze is definitely a favorite of mine because it's not too gold, it's not too yellow, it's not too rose, it's kind of the perfect shade. And that's what I'm gonna put in my flip project in Beverly Hills. Absolutely sold. I don't even have to look further. It took me 1 second to pick the suite that I would like in our primary bedroom master. I'm sold. This is it. Oh my God. Pina paletta. I don't know why I'm saying it with an Italian accent. Say it with an Italian accent.
Pina paletta.
Pina paletta. Super chic. I do love this as well. We got to give it a little nod. Look at this Callista style. Question is, which one do we pick? But this finish to me is a winner. Don't you love this finish? So the finishes at Callista are going to be different from Kohler. So let's figure out what color that is. So this is the unlacquered brass. Unlacquered brass patinas over time. How do you feel about that for the project?
I think it would be beautiful.
I mean, I like it when it changes, but some people get a little crazy because they're like, how come it looks clean and then it looks dirty and then it looks clean? I mean, it changes and lives. It's like a living finish. So some people can really live with the finish, and some people get really weirded out because look at how different the color is on the back and on the front. I really love this because it feels like it's more of a, that it's been there for some time and has more history. Mm-hmm. But some people just want one color and not deal with it.
I love that. This is beautiful.
Big dilemma. I want to know what you guys think. I'm thinking the occasion is going to look really good because it's asymmetrical. There's something really interesting about it. It's not your ubiquitous circle. It's kind of has this shape that is unusual. Even the shower head has the shape that's unusual. I really love that. I love things that are artistic. And I am very much in love with this. So you get to choose your spout. This is the spout from the collection that I think is really nice. And then you can put the handle that you think looks best with it. So it's either this handle or this. But I really, there's something about this that I think is perfection. Okay, I'm sold. Are you sold?
Yeah, I like that. And it also goes with that.
This is so good. I also love this, but I think the other one was so unusual. But this could be our second choice. Second choice for secondaries? I mean, look at this. Look at these handles. They are so fun. And maybe we want the interior of our tub or our toilet to match. We used to do this like in the 90s. Mm-hmm. I remember I did bisque a lot. Biscuit, that's what it was, biscuit. And then everybody went white. But I really love the color. So Reverne is a Kohler company that does all of their glass and their mirrors and their medicine cabinets. So that's good to know. Is very specific, and we can't have a very tall spout. This is why you really need to know your design before you come shopping for your fixtures. This is 13. We have about 16 inches. So, and this is 14. So they would both work. Question is, which one do we like more? I don't like this shiny finish, so don't think shiny, but think of the style. We could mix these, like for example, the faucet could be this, but our pot filler could be something like this. Like, don't be afraid to mix your things. Everybody's like, everything has to look exactly the same. It's not gonna have any depth or any beauty if everything looks the same. So you can have different styles, but maybe all in the same finish. So you have to make it somewhat cohesive. This is our marble for our kitchen. It's important to look at that. The question is, do we want to do this design, which is a little bit simpler. It's sort of like colonial, I would say. And then this is also colonial. It's the shiny that's killing the deal. But imagine if it wasn't shiny. This is called Artifacts, and its list price is $1,500. It says our price $1,100. And then this is the vibrant French gold, which is not what we want, but I do like the visual interest of it. Okay, so we want one fancy toilet,
Yes.
or maybe two fancy toilets. All right, Silvana, you're gonna do the toilet test. This is the one I have at home. I love her.
That's a good one.
Right?
We love her.
We love her. She's good. I mean, they're all so good. Look at this one. And now this is the Mac Daddy. So this has been around for a little while, and I've been obsessing with this toilet for a decade. And it's called the Hat Box. It's literally, and it automatically opens too. So good. I can't believe you brought me a gift.
Yeah, it needs to be a gift in order to work. It's from Napoli. It's the corno napoletano. Means
Corno
corn,
napoletano.
and it's for evil eyes.
Evil eye. And good luck.
Nobody can touch you now.
No, I am
Intouchable.
untouchable, guys. It almost looks like a pepper.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is a pepper?
Peppercorn, yeah, like
The spicy
corno.
ones.
Yeah.
Di corno, di
And
corno.
keep this in
Thank
your,
you.
You're welcome.
I
Keep
love
it in your wallet or anywhere with you
Anywhere
all the
where it's
time,
all
yes.
the time. Okay.
Yeah.
How sweet. Di corno. Grazie mille.
Insegnare l'italiano.
Mi devi?
Mi devi
Mi devi
insegnare.
insegnare. Mi devi insegnare l'italiano. Wow, wow, wow.
Remember those?
Yeah, I love those little cuties. We use them we use them in our last project. That's
In
nice.
my kitchen now.
That could work in your kitchen.
Would work, even like that, right now.
Yeah. Because that's your whole problem. You need one
Yeah.
linear. You need a linear. She found a blue dot and she's gonna go crazy. Which one's a blue dot?
Look, we like this, remember?
Oh, yes, but there's only ones. This would be great
Right.
if it had a blue dot for you. This is chic. Silvana, this is so chic. This is cute. No blue dot. So we came to the Invisible collection because they had an event at Freeze, and I couldn't make it because I was at KBIS. So I was able to come back because I wanted to check out what was happening at the Invisible collection. You guys know how much I love it. The best furniture, in my opinion, in the world are represented, designers and furniture represented by the Invisible collection. Look at this coffee table. It comes in so many different variations. This is Garcet and Dubovsky, which is beautiful. Some of my favorite pieces in here, I mean, they're all my favorite pieces, is the Garcet and Dubovsky coffee table, which is beautiful. It's all made in Portugal. And so is this beautiful sofa that's also Garcet and Dubovsky. Candle holders are one of my favorite pieces. They're so subtle. They're actual leaves that have been cast in bronze, and they're by Visconti, and they're just so beautiful, and they make such a statement. This console table is by Thierry Lemaire, and if you touch it, it's got a lot of grooves and just texture to it, so it's really beautiful. And the reason they brought it to the showroom is that it reminded them of a surfboard, so it's very California. Everything was shipped from basically all over the world, but a lot of these pieces were in the showroom in Paris. Another favorite piece of mine is this rug. I love and obsessed with this rug. It's all different layers. There's wools, and then the edges are different grades of wool, and then all the way down to silk. And the rug is by Atelier Février, and one of the best rug designers and manufacturers out there. These adorable stools, gorgeous, are by Spolia out of New York, and I love the base of them. They're sort of Frank Lloyd Wright-ish in a way, and look really great mixed with all of the other pieces that are in this room.